guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today is another monthly favorites. I love monthly favorites, and this month I feel like I have a lot of beauty products and a lot of lifestyle products, so this month is about to be a good video. Like, I got good stuff this month, so if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. Before we get into the video, please don't forget, subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, turn your post notifications on, add me on Instagram, add me on TikTok, and let's get into the video. This is the life of having press-on nails. My nails are always popping off, but I'm prepared because I always carry my glue with me. So as soon as it pops off, I just glue it back on and you'll never know. Okay, so I got a little bit of everything this month, so I'm going to start with makeup. The first thing I want to show you guys is this. This is the Quo lip oil. I just discovered this out of nowhere when I was at the drugstore. $10, and this lip oil is so hydrating. This is in watermelon. I'm going to put some on because I'm not wearing any, but look at this. It gives you such a nice gloss, but it's so hydrating. It's not sticky because it's an oil. Smells amazing, so I really like this. $10, can't go wrong. So sticking on lips, a lipstick that I've really been liking is this MAC matte lipstick in this shade YASH. I think that's how you pronounce it, YASH. I really like this. I'm wearing it right now. It's like a nice nude, and I love pairing it with my MAC Spice lip liner. So I would say this combo right here has been like my go-to lately. It's what I've been wearing a lot, so I really, really like this. I'm going to swatch it for you guys to show you. So this is what it looks like. This is the lipstick. So you can see it's like a nudish brown. And then this is Spice. Spice is a classic. I feel like we've all tried this before. It's really, really nice. It's more of like a nudish corally berry color. It's not too brown, but together they are perfection. So this combo, really, really good. This is my VASANTI color corrector. I am huge on using orange color correctors. I cannot do my makeup without a color corrector. I always use it under my eyes and on blemishes to color correct. And all of the ones I used to use Becca, Urban Decay, and what was the other one that I used to use? And Sephora collection, and all of them have been sold out. So I went to the drugstore and I picked this up, and I've actually really been liking this. It looks like this. So it's really, really nice. It's a nice peach color. So this color corrector has been doing it for me. If you guys are looking for a color corrector, definitely check this out. So this right here is what I've been using to contour. This is the MAC Blunt powder, and it looks like this. It's just like a cool brown. It's not too dark, not too light. It looks like this. Perfect for contouring. I've been using this to contour my cheeks, my nose, and I've really, really been liking this. I've had this for a long time, and then I just rediscovered it, and I was like, you know, I need to start using this again because it's a really, really good shade. It looks like this. Really, really pretty. So this has been my go-to. I have been reaching for this highlighter so much lately. This is the MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish in the shade Show Gold. I love this. Like, I feel like it's so pigmented. It gives you a nice wet highlighter look, and I love highlighters that give you that wet finish. I don't really like too much sparkle, too much of that, because sometimes it pulls texture, but something like this, it just gives you a nice wet finish. So I really, really like it. You can see it's gold, but it has a little bit of pink reflex to it. I don't know if it's picking it up, but it kind of has pink reflex to them. So this has been my go-to. I love it. If you guys are looking for a highlighter that gives you that nice wet glow, definitely check this one out. It's perfection. This has been my go-to eyeshadow palette for such a long time now. This is the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes palette, and I really like it because it's all matte, all neutral tones, very, very natural. So I've been using this literally every single day, because the thing about me is my day-to-day makeup, I love to look very natural. I like to use 1, 2 shades at max. I don't like to do anything crazy on my eyes, because when I go to work is when I have to do the very bold, very glam, very blown out, cut creases, very colorful kind of look for work. But on my day-to-day, I kind of just like to chill. I like to just do something very natural. So this has been like my go-to. I love it. You have so many options, especially the transition shades. They are perfect. Like, you can use all of these for transitions, so perfection. So if you guys are looking for a natural palette, definitely check this out. This is about to be your best friend. So this is a MAC mascara, the Extra Dimension mascara, and it looks like this. It's really, really nice. I've been using this a lot, especially for my bottom lashes. I'm not really big on mascara because I wear lashes every single day, but for my bottom lashes, I really like the way it looks. So this has been like my go-to. Really like it. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. it gets the job done. This is the Native deodorant, and I have recently discovered this and I really, really like it. It is an all-natural deodorant. It's paraben-free, aluminum-free, cruelty-free, it's vegan, so it's all natural and the smell is amazing. It's coconut and vanilla. It smells so good. It smells like a pina colada, basically. Like, it smells so, so good. I love it. And I've always wanted to try a natural deodorant, but I've always been on the fence because I've always like felt like they don't smell that good, or if it's not going to get the job done. I've always just been hesitant, but this one has been working really good. I use it every single day. No complaints. And the reason why I actually started using this is because the deodorant I was wearing started like irritating my armpits. I don't know if you guys have experienced this before, but it was like causing like some rash, and I was like, okay, I need to switch to all natural, and it's been working. I really, really like this, guys. The only thing is it's a little pricey. It's like $15, and regular deodorants are like $5, $6. So it's a little pricey, but totally worth it. I really like this. I just picked this up today, and this is the Arm & Hammer Extreme White Toothpaste. I'm sure you guys have heard me say this before. I talk about this toothpaste all the time on my Instagram, on my TikTok. I feel like I've mentioned it on here too. This has been my favorite toothpaste for like the last maybe like 10 years. I love this toothpaste. I don't whiten my teeth. All I do is use this. I've been using this for years and my teeth are pretty white. So I love this. This is the only toothpaste I trust. So I just ran out and I went to pick up another one. I feel like I put everybody onto this toothpaste, like my boyfriend, my family, my friends. Like, I tell everybody about it and they're always like, it's life-changing. So definitely check this out, guys. I promise you, your teeth will be so white and so pretty. I feel like Arm & Hammer needs to sponsor me at this point because I put everybody onto this. And let me know in the comments if you guys end up trying this. Please let me know, because it makes me so happy when people tell me it worked and it made their teeth so white. Like, it just fills my heart. These are the Kiss press-on nails, and I have been wearing press-on nails so much lately. I never thought the day would come, but because of COVID, all the salons are closed out here and your girl needs to get her nails done. So I've been using press-on nails. This is one style that I wear, and then I just picked up this one. It's a shorter style, but I really, really like the Kiss press-on nails because they last up to, I think, 7 days, usually 7 days. And when you take them off, you can just re-glue them. They have so many cute styles, so I really, really like it, and they just look good because I was just getting tired of not having nails. So they've been saving my life. They look so cute. They last up to 7 days and they save you a lot of money. So definitely pick up press-on nails. They're so, so cute and so easy. These sunglasses are my latest purchase and I am obsessed. They're like big frames, see-through, and they're brown. So they're so perfect. They look like this. They just scream summer to me, like summer vibes. I love this. A day out in the sun. It just looks really, really good. Obsessed, and it gives me more J-Lo vibes. I don't know about you, but I feel like this is something J-Lo would wear. So I really like this, and I got this from Pretty Little Thing. I think it was like $8, so you can't go wrong with these. They're so cute. Guys, how cute are these Nike socks? These are nude Nike socks. This is like in a beige color. This is a lighter nude, and then this is a brown nude, and they are just so perfect. Bay actually got these for me, and I was so happy when he gave me these because I love nude and I love Nike socks. If you guys know me, I only like wearing Nike socks. Socks are such a big deal to me because I feel like they're just game changer in your outfits. So you'll only catch me at Nike socks. But lately, I've been stepping up my game a little bit. I have some Burberry socks, I have some Gucci socks, but Nike socks are just my favorite. Like, these are my only ones I like to wear. And lately, my boyfriend's only wearing Nike socks too. I feel like I put him on because, I don't know, guys, Nike socks are just the best socks. So these are about to be so cute in the summer. They're about to make every outfit pop. Speaking of summer, I picked up this sweatband by Sweet Sweat. It is a waist trimmer, not a waist trainer, a waist trimmer. You use this when you're working out. You just wrap it around your waist and work out with it. And what it does is it actually makes you sweat a little bit more and tightens up your abdomen area. So I am a firm believer in always using waist trimmers when working out because it just makes my stomach sweat a little bit more, makes it a little bit more toned. So I really love sweatbands, but this one right here I like because, let me show you. I like because of the material inside, it never slips. And I've always found that when I've used other brands, because I've used other brands before, I've always found that it always ends up sliding off. And next thing you know, my waist trimmer is just coming off my waist. But this, it stays in place. So I've really, really been liking this. So this has been helping me out a lot. So I'm trying to get snatched for the summer. So these right here are clip-in ponytails by the brand, insert name here. And I picked up two. This is the style MIYA, I believe it's called. I've been using this one a lot. This is a straight long ponytail. I really, really like this. It's so easy. I just clip it in and it gives me a really nice ponytail. So I've been using this one a lot lately. And then this one is in the style SHAYLA. I haven't used it yet. It's more of like a curly ponytail. I haven't used it yet, but so far I really like clip-in ponytails, especially the straight one. I feel like it just gives me so much length and it lets me do so many things with my hair. So I really, really like it. And then last but not least are these sneakers that Bae got me. He got me these customized Air Forces and they are so cute. They're nude and they have a little bit of like a metallic finish to them. I'm obsessed. So now that the weather is getting better, the sun is coming out, I pulled them out and I was like, I need to start wearing these now. Like, it is time. So you guys are about to see me in this all summer. I am obsessed. Okay, so what I'm about to show you guys now, you guys are gonna think is so funny, but I actually got this as part of my boyfriend's Valentine's Day gift. This was like a little thing I got him, but because of shipment delays and all of that, it literally just arrived. But I got him, I can't even take myself serious with this. I got him these boxers with my face all over them. So I got them custom made and they have hearts and literally just my face all over them, which I think is so funny, but so adorable at the same time. Like, boxers with your girl's face on it, like, can't go wrong with that. So I am so excited to see his reaction. It's gonna be so funny, but I thought I would just throw these in and show you guys because these are my favorites and they're about to be his favorites too. So those are all of my favorites for this month. I feel like I had quite a lot this month, which is not a bad thing. It's a good thing. Everything will be listed down below in case you guys are interested in anything. Please let me know what you guys want to see next. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what are your favorites. Let me know and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.